He's reaching for it. Oh, don't get frustrated. You're doing good. You're doing good. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. Oh. He's just out of reach. Oh, I'm sorry you're aggravated. You're making such good progress. You are. You are. Oh. You reach for it. Yeah. So you can touch it. You'll get there. Yeah, you'll get there. Oh, good job. Good job. Keep reaching for it. Uh-huh. Yeah. You know what else we have? If you're interested. We also have the blue bear. You interested in the blue bear? Nope, just monkey. Okay, okay. Didn't mean to create sensory overload. You're getting there. You're getting there. You are getting there. Yeah. Oh. Breaking my heart. Yeah. Here, you want Mama to hold it for you? Look. Look. There it is. You want it? Oh, you want to do it yourself? You don't want me to help? You don't want me to help? Okay. I can hear that you're trying. You've almost rolled over to your side. Ah. You can do it, Levi. You can do it. You get there, baby. You get there. Oh, see? Look how close you're getting. So much better. Oh, these things take time. Yeah. Oh, yay! Yay, you touched it! Yay! Yay! Such a bright boy! Oh, I think he's about done. Okay. All right, we're done.